Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will talk about the materials management. Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar has written many research papers in the issue of the material management, and many chapters of the book and the research paper are published on the name of the Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar on the topic of the materials management. The syllabus of the material management. The objective of the course of the material management, the course intend to equip students with updated knowledge of the modern material management concept and aims to develop their functional expertise in the store and purchase management disciplines. The topics are: number one, introduction, meaning and scope, objectives and significance of the material management in other areas of the management functions, ABC analysis, meaning, advantages, objective, purpose, and limitations, simple numerical of the ABC analysis, codification and standardization, basis of codification, characteristics of the good coding system, types of the coding, standardization and its benefits. Purchasing management, objectives and function of the purchasing management, purchase policy and procedure innovation, purchase of the high capital equipment and their feasibility, supply chain management, implementation of the supply chain principles within a company, supplier selection, vendor rating and the vendor rating techniques, vendor development and vendor relations. Inventory management, different cost of the inventory, optimal order quantity, EOQ, inventory models with the purchase discounts, buffer stocks, fixed order period models, safety stocks, optimum level of the safety stock, inventory control, elements of the effective inventory control, advantages, procedure for setting up an efficient inventory control system, with analysis, SD classification, FSN analysis, XYZ analysis, logistic management, and its links with the inventory control and other areas, value analysis, purchasing research, price forecasting, forward buying, make or buy decision, store management, purpose of the store management, location and layout, cost spec and productivity, problems and development, new developments in the storing, evaluation of the material management, organization, difficulties, process and criteria, reporting and purchasing, computers in the management, material management, electronic computer, integrated computer systems for the material management, material planning. This is the syllabus of the material management. Once again, see that what is there. ABC analysis is there. Meaning and scope of the material management is there. Purchasing management is there. Supplier selection is there. Inventory management is there. Value analysis is there. Store management is there. Evaluation of the materials management and computers in the material management. These 10 topics are there in the case of the material management. Material management, an introduction, ABC analysis, codification and the standardization, purchasing management, negotiation, supply chain management, selection of the suppliers, inventory management, inventory control, value analysis, purchasing research, stores management, evaluation of the materials management, computers in the materials management. These are the topics, 14 topics of the materials management. And in the unit first, material management and introduction, we will study here objectives, introduction, meaning and scope of the materials management, objectives of the material management, significance of the material management in other areas of the management functions, material management and design and development, material management and production, material management and the sales, material management and finance and accounting, summary, keywords, review portions, and the further readings are there. This will go there in this unit. After studying this unit, we will be able to explain the meaning of the material management, scope of the material management, objective and significance of the material management, discuss the role of material management in other areas of the management function. In this unit, you will study about the meaning and scope of the material management. The sections and subsections of this unit will also summarize the objective and significance of the material management. Materials management is a specialized area of the management which concerns itself with the management of the material resources. What we are attempting to do in the managing material is to reduce and control the cost relating to the important resources, which normally accounts for the about 50% on average of the cost of the production. In other words, it costs 100% to produce an item. One may make it granted, then 50 is likely to be related to material, which it will be appreciated is a very high percentage of the total cost. Traditionally, we are used to thinking of the cost of material, which is the price we have paid to acquire the material, the basic cost of the material. This is the figure usually displayed in a company statement of the annual accounts. Material management concerns itself not with this cost, which, as we have seen, is very high, but also with a large number of other costs which add to the price. These costs are called cost in materials as distinct from cost of the materials. When we speak of the material management, we are not merely referring to the control of the cost of the materials, but each and every type of the cost that is incurred on the material, as indicated above, which have to be reduced and controlled. Meaning and scope of the material management. Material management is an essential business function. It is concerned with the planning, acquisition, and flow of materials within the supply chain. Materials is one of the four basic sources: labor, material, equipment, and capital of any industrial or business activity. For a long time, it was regarded as a routine function with the less importance, but over the years, with accelerating economic, technological, and societal and environmental changes, this function has become more important, more complex, and the more professional. Material management creates a competitive edge by delivering quality of the products or service on time and offering lower cost by cutting its own cost as well as cutting purchased item cost, which account for over 50% of the sales revenue, thus imparting superior value. However, it is complex as it confronts various issues including outsourcing, global sourcing, size of the supply base, shorter lead time, smaller lot size, price determination, mode carrier selection, maintaining long-term relationship with the supplier, choosing the right type of the information technology, legal issue, etc. The following definition of the material management has been accepted by the International Federation of the Purchasing and Material Management. The material management is a total concept involving an organizational structure unifying into a single responsibility, the systematic flow and control of material from the identification of the need through the customer delivery. Included with the concept are the material function of the planning, scheduling, buying, storing, moving, and distributing. These are logically represented by the disciplines of the production and inventory control, purchasing, and physical distribution. The objective of the material management is to contribute to increased profitability by the coordinated achievement of the least material cost. This is done through the optimizing capital investment, capacity, and personnel consistent with the appropriate customer service level. Another definition adopted by the National Association of the Purchasing Management, USA, reads as follows. Material management, it is an organizational concept in which a single manager has authority and responsibility for all activity principally concerned with the flow of materials into an organization. Purchasing, production, planning, and scheduling, incoming traffic, inventory control, receiving and stores of the normally are included. In these definitions of the material management, one will notice the concept that all authority and all responsibility for the acquisition and control of the materials should be coordinated through one executive authority, the materials manager. The different scopes of the material management can be viewed from three perspectives as discussed below. As a basic function of the firm, material management is one of the following six functions performed by any firm: design, converts concept into the specification; finance, acquire and controls the capital; personnel manager, manage human resources; materials planning, acquisition and logistic of material, service and equipment; production, converts material into goods and services; marketing, distributes goods and services to the buyer. The concept, supervision and importance of the material management differs from industry to industry. As a measure of the outside manufacturing, these parts that go into the making of the end products can come from two sources: in-house production and purchase from the outside. Earlier, firms themselves produced most parts that they were needed for assembly of the end products. Gradually, firms started identifying, cultivating, and exploiting their core competency, doing the things that knew how to do the best and outsourcing the rest. This marked a significant increase in the percentage of the purchased part. Material manager is answerable for purchase of item manufactured outside, just as a production manager is answerable for parts produced in-house. Hence, material manager is rightly called manager of the outside manufacturing. As a controller of the cost, major costs related with the materials include ordering or setup cost, carrying cost, logistic cost, transportation and warehousing, and shortage or surpluses cost, beside the cost of the purchased item. Historically, these costs were accounted separately and were generally included in the overheads. As such, their impact was not felt, but not their combined contribution is measured, which is quite significant and provides good scope for the cutting cost. Objectives of the material management. These are the objectives of the material management. Material management's considerable effect on profit demands that is its objective be derived from the general business objective, maintaining competence and satisfactory profitability. The main objectives of the material management are the as follows: to ensure continuous, uninterrupted production or operation or project work by maintaining a steady flow of the material; to achieve the above objective in an efficient and economical manner; to effect economics in the cost of the materials by purchasing materials of the right quality in the right quantity at the right time from the right source at the right price; to effect economies in the cost incurred on materials after they have been purchased through these storage, processing and warehousing till the finished goods ultimately reach the customer. These economies contribute toward cost, thereby leading to the higher profits; to reduce working capital requirement through proper and scientific inventory control; to be alive to the changes in the market in respect of the new products, and consequently to improve the quality of the manufactured goods, we use of the better raw materials or component, and thereby the increase the competitiveness on such goods put up; to increase the competitiveness of the manufactured goods by making it possible to reduce their prices through cost reduction, especially by the value analysis; to save foreign exchange through import substitution and economizing on foreign purchases; to ensure cooperation among all departments of the enterprise to meet materials management objective both at the corporate and functional levels, and to ensure proper coordination in respect of the such activity; to conserve materials resources within enterprise, thereby contributing to the conservation of the national resources. And so next one is these are the objectives of the materials management, and this is the materials management, meaning a scope of the material management is there. And the material resources का ये आपको ये करता है समराइज द ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ द मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट. We are used to thinking of the cost of the material, which is the price we have paid to acquire the material. Meaning and scope of the material management is an essential business function. It is concerned with the planning, acquisition, flow of material within the supply chain. ये आपको लेबर, मटेरियल, इक्विपमेंट एंड कॉर्पोरेट कैपिटल ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रियल और बिजनेस एक्टिविटी ये आपको डील करता है. मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट, it is an organizational concept in which a single manager has authority and responsibility for the activity principally concerned with the flow of material into an organization. Purchasing, production, planning and scheduling, incoming traffic, inventory control, design, finance, personnel, materials, production, marketing. These are the control of the material management.